things to remember when you're using the Jigsaw Massage unit. Go ahead and lay down, Bobby. And yeah, thank you, Bobby, for demoing, by the way. Beautiful, Bobby.
Feels great to be demoed.
Bobby Armijo.
The sun's not bright at all.
No. Here, take my sunglasses.
Thank you.
Yes. Okay, now this is what we call the supine position. Let them relax their shoulders. I also like to have the client give you a thumbs up if it's in a good spot. And just let the machine, you know, do the work. Don't push down. No need to push down hard at all. Just let the pressure of the machine do the work. We're gonna get into the pecs. You just did a bunch of push-ups, so the pec's pretty tight. Right below the collarbone here. And again, give me a thumbs up if it's in a good spot. And if you want more pressure to ratchet it up, just go a little thumbs up, up, up. Or less pressure, go down, yeah. And then I'm gonna have you lay on your stomach. So have your athlete go into the prone position now. Have them give you cues with their hands, either thumbs up if it's in a good spot, or a thumbs down if it's in a bad spot, or more pressure, just go up. So we'll get into the traps here. They're like notoriously tight on everybody. So getting into these and loosening these up can really help, you know, give the athlete some shoulder relief and just some stress relief in general. Work along the erector spinae, down the spine. Do we have a question from the audience?
Yeah. Do you have a YouTube, what do you call it? Videos that you put on?
Oh yes, we do, yeah.
What is it?
Search Jigsaw Massage on YouTube and our videos will come up.
Oh, you are just the Jigsaw?
Yeah, I'm Jigsaw Massage, or this is my company.
So you're gonna be on the video?
Yeah.
Look for you, just Jigsaw Massage, and then you'll be on the video?
Yep.
So which one, out of all three, which one would you recommend?
Probably the all-purpose tip is good for starting out.
Which one is all-purpose?
That's this one right here, the rubber one. And you'll see it on, I'll send it to you on the website.
Okay.
Yeah, jigsawmassage.com.
Alright, thank you.
Take care. And then you get the glutes, guys. Bobby's a glute guy himself. He's got some tight ass glutes, so we're gonna need to loosen those up. And then legs on the bench if you could. Now we'll get into the hamstring, more glutes. Maybe ask them to bring the knee up. And then here, get some range of motion in the joints while you're massaging. Get into the calves, Achilles. Move the ankle around for me, Bobby, while I'm doing that. Perfect. Just trying to get those tissues in as many different areas as possible. And then if you don't have somebody to use it on you, then you can use it on your forearms. You know, you can have a seat here, do your own quads with it. Nice V-bend. The bottoms of your feet. just let the machine do the work and recover faster. Bobby?
Feels great after a tough workout today. Thanks, Brian.